everyone, it's Emily, and today we'll be making glitter slime. The things that you will need will be some liquid starch, some glitter glue, a bowl, and something to mix it with. Let's get started. The first step is you need to take your glue and dump it into the bowl. The next step is to take 1/4 cup of water and pour it into your glue bottle. Put on the glue bottle cap. Shake it off and set it aside. Now add 1/2 cup of liquid starch to your glue. Make sure not to dump it all into the bowl at one time. And then you can mix it up. Glue bottle and pour in the water into your bowl. And start kneading it with your hands. After a few seconds, if it's too sticky, add more liquid starch really slowly. Just keep kneading it until it's not sticky. And there you have it, glitter slime. Store this, put it into a Tupperware container. And when you're not playing with it, put it in the fridge to keep it fresh. Thanks for watching Imagine. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below.